Hello everyone, in this demo we will show you how to quickly and easily integrate an AWS Marketplace product with SaaS Builder Toolkit for AWS or SBT. We will start by creating a new Marketplace SaaS product. Here we are filling out a few required parameters with some test data. A placement for the fulfillment URL. And here we define the tiers for our product. We'd also like to set up pay-as-you-go pricing, so let's set up a dimension for that. To support tiering, we'll set single dimension per contract. Just a couple more parameters here. And now we can submit. We'll fast forward through the review process here. And now we'll jump to creating the CDK construct for the Marketplace product we just created. This will help us integrate that product with SBT components such as the control plane and core application plane. We'll need to make sure that the parameters here match the product specifications. We'll fill those out in just a bit here. This sample registration web page allows us to capture more details about our tenants before onboarding them to our system. And now we'll just jump back and forth a bit here to capture the necessary details. And now we'll use a helper script to deploy the CDK app and fast forward through the deployment process. With that done, we'll go ahead and update the fulfillment URL. This is from the sample registration web page we created from before. Wait for the request to succeed. And now let's create a subscription. Here we can configure the contract and select things like the tier we want. This button will take us to our fulfillment URL where we can complete the registration process. And now you can see the full tenant object created in our system. Here you can see that the provisioning job configured in SBT has been triggered for the new tenant. Tenant information and entitlements from Marketplace are available as environment variables to help provision and configure resources appropriately. Now let's create some metering records for our new tenant. We'll use a pre-built script to help with that. Now that the record is created, let's push it to Marketplace. Here you can see that the metering record has been successfully published. Now we'll run through an offboarding process. Here we can see the deprovisioning process has started. We're just using the customer identifier here to find out which tenant we need to offboard. With that, thanks for watching. If you have questions, reach out.